Hello parents, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to talk about the articles a and the. When we have to use the articles a and the, and when we should not use the articles a and the. So let's get started. Before teaching your kids articles a and the, make sure to teach your kids phonics like a, b, C, D, A to Z phonics. A's phonic sound is A, B's phonic sound is B, C's K, D, D. Like this A to Z phonic sounds you have to teach them. It is important and must to teach your kids about the phonics before you teach them about the articles. If your child is not thorough about the phonic sounds, it would be difficult for them to understand the concept of articles. So make sure to teach them the phonics before you teach them the articles. For the kids of KG, we teach them only the articles a and an. The is not included in their syllabus. So when we teach them about the articles a and an, we teach them like this. If the word starts with a vowel letter, article an is used, and if the word starts with the consonant letter, article a is used. For example, an apple, a ball. Here apple, the word apple starts with a vowel letter. A is a vowel, so here an is used. And here ball, first letter is B is a consonant, so here a is used. Like this we teach them. But this rule gets wrong with some words. Why this happens? Why this rule gets wrong with some words? Let's see about them in detail with some examples. Now let's see about the first rule. As I told you earlier, when the kids were in the KG, we teach them like vowel letter and consonant letter. Vowel letter and consonant letter. If a word starts with the vowel letter, article an is used, and if a word starts with the consonant letter, article a is used. But this rule gets wrong with some words. Here I have taken those words. Here first word is European. In the European word, first letter is E, but we don't call as an European. We call it as a European. Why we call like this? Because European, the word European starts with the sound U. U sound. It's a European word starts with the U sound. U is a consonant. So here A is used. Similarly, utensil. Utensil, U sound comes first. Utensil, U. U sound is a consonant. So here a utensil is used. Here university. University also starts with the sound U. University. U sound comes first. So U is a consonant. So here we have to use a university, not an university. Because of this, your child should be thorough with the phonic sounds. If they don't know the phonic sounds, it would be difficult for them to use the article a or an. So the articles rule is based on the vowel sounds and consonant sounds, and not on the basis of vowel letter or consonant letter. It is okay to explain them on the basis of vowel letter and consonant letter only when they were in the KG. But when the words like European, utensil, university, all these types of words being introduced to them, that time you have to explain them on the basis of vowel sounds and not on the basis of vowel letter. Now let's see the second rule. Here consonant letter with vowel sound. Here H is consonant. Here H is consonant. But here A honest is not used. An honest is used. An honest. An R. This is because when we pronounce the word honest, we pronounce it as honest, honest, not honest. We pronounce it as honest. O is a vowel, so here an is used. Similarly, r, we call it as r, r sound is comes first. R is vowel, so here an is used. Now let's see the third rule, that is a, an and the when the article is used. A or an we use when the noun is non-specific. Non-specific means we don't talk about a specific noun, we talk about general. Here the is used when the noun is specific. For example, Rohan has a bike. Here I have used a because I don't know which color bike or which model, or I don't know about it. I only knew that Rohan has a bike, so I used here a. Similarly, Meena bought a flower. Meena bought a flower. I don't know which flower she bought, rose or sunflower. I don't know about it. I also don't know about the colors, red color, yellow color, white color. I don't know about the color. I only knew that Meena bought a flower. So here I use a. Similarly, the movie is based on a real life incident. Here the is used because I am talking about a particular movie, the movie which I saw, that about that movie I am talking. So here the is used. The moon looks beautiful today. I am talking about a moon, a specific thing. I am talking about a specific thing, about a moon. So here the is used. Article a and an is used when we talk about the non-specific noun, and the is used when we talk about the specific nouns. So this is the third rule. Now let's see about the fourth rule, when we have to use article a, an or the. Here I have taken one story. Before that, I wanted to clear you that if a noun is first time used, if a noun is first time used, if a noun is first time used, then the article a or an is used, and the same noun is repeated second time, then article the is used. I will explain you with the example. Here I have taken one story. Once upon a time, a farmer had a magic goose. Here the noun is farmer, so I am talking about the noun farmer for the first time. So here a is used. Every day she laid a golden egg. The farmer sold her egg at a good price. Here the farmer is used. Why? Because first, this is for the second time the noun farmer is used. Here the first time it was used, so here a article used. Then about the farmer only we are talking for the second time. That's why here article the is used. When the noun is used for the first time, then the articles a or an comes, or when the same noun repeated for second or third time, article the is used. Now let's see about the exceptions. Exceptions means when we should not use article a, an or the. When the sentence is plural. For example, this is a ball. These are balls. So here you can observe that this is a ball. Here singular, so I have used a. Article is used. Here the sentence becomes plural. These are balls. Here article a or an not used. For the plurals, the article a, an or the is not used. Only with the singular it is used. Similarly, language or subject. any language or subject, school subjects like a science, the science, we won't call it as a science, the science, we call as science. Similarly with the language, Hindi, we English, we don't use like this. So here articles are not used. Then year, day or month, with the year, day or month articles are not used. January, we won't call it as January like this. Then with the meals, a lunch, breakfast or dinner, a breakfast, a lunch, we won't call it as a breakfast or lunch. So here with the meals also articles are not used. Then with the uncountable nouns like a sugar, like this. So sugar is an uncountable noun. We should not use articles here with the uncountable nouns. Similarly with the directions, north, east, west, all these directions, north, east, like this we should not use. So here also the articles are not used. So this is about the articles. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.